Let's try to see how we can group the result sets, where we are going to see how we can eliminate duplicates from the result sets, and also we are going to see how we can further restrict the result sets with the help of group by clause. Now what happens, like we do have this values which are coming. Let's say means we are trying to execute a query where we are just trying to get the country from author table, and you can see there are so many countries, and in that you can see India is the country which is having a duplicate value. So how we can actually get a distinct? Suppose we just wanted to know the distinct or just unique records out of this country. So for that, we can use this distinct keyword which is here. Select a distinct, then country from author or by country. So this is what we can try to use, and then instead of just having this say 6 rows, it will just give the three unique records which are having there. So this is also a requirement. Sometimes when we wanted to get unique records or distinct records, and not wanted to have a duplicate records, we can use this distinct keyword. Now we can try to use a group by function. So group by function is something which is where we can actually group our results by particular column and its aggregated function. So now you can this is see you can see a count. We can use other functions like sum or average, maximum or minimum. That kind of functions also we can use it, and when we wanted to use it, we can use this group by clause. You can see means how many records which are there of the country Canada. So it will come as one. How many records are there with the country India? So it is a four. And then how many for USA? It is one. So when we have such requirements to get particular results by particular column name, then we can use this function, which this group by clause. And we can you can say that this is nothing but this is also we are mentioning as instead of just like this, there is no column name we have mentioned here, we can mention as author count. So how many authors from each country, that is what we can see it with the help of this count function. There are other functions which are sum, maximum, minimum. That is also we can use as per our requirement, but this is what this group by clause being used. There is another clause which is group by having clause, which comes like this. And suppose we are getting a using this group by clause here. If you wanted to get only particular results, so suppose I wanted to get results of a country which are having author count more than 3, then I can use this having clause. So group by having is the one condition which is just used with the with the group by clause only. So it is not used anywhere else. Having clause is used only with the group by, and it is used to restrict the result sets with some specific condition along with the group by function. So in summary, we have seen how we can eliminate duplicates from the result set with the help of distinct keyword, and how we can restrict result sets with the group by and having a clause. I hope you like this, and I will see you in next lecture.